So for our project 2, we decided to do it over all 3 books of Lord of the Rings. So as you can see on the screen, our first visual that we did was going to be a word cloud. And the way we separated was we took each of the books and got all the words from each chapter and then separated the chapters by the columns, as you can see. So as you can see, we have the Fellowship of the Rings in every chapter in that book. We have the Two Towers in every chapter as well, and the same for the last book, which is The Return of the King. So for our first visual, what we did was our word cloud, and how it works is that the user can choose whatever chapters they want to get the top 50 words. So from the beginning of the chapter to the chapter that they decide to end on. So as I can show you that we'll start with the very first chapter from the first book and decide to do, let's see, we'll go with Helm's Deep, which is half of the chapters of the second book. So what it does is it takes all the words from all the chapters, combines them, and then takes the top 50 words from all those combined chapters. So on here, as you can see, the bigger the word, the more times it appears throughout the book and the chapters. So we'll do another example as well. We'll do it all the way till the very end. So it took all the chapters from all the books and then combined them and then got the top 50 words from them. And as you can see, when the user makes a selection, it highlights them in red to show which chapters they decided to choose. So for our next visualization that we decided to do, we did an arc diagram, which is a little bit harder to read and understand. So what we did was we got all the characters from every single one of the books and try to connect them to the times that they appear in the book. So as you can see, the bigger the circle, the more times they appear. So for example, this one shows up as Frodo Baggins, and it has many connections, which he's basically the main character throughout the books. So it doesn't show like which characters they're connected to, because some of them do have all of them just because they do appear in every single one of the book. But if you want to see what they appear, you can see the red line that they go to and then just go hover over it and see what character it was. So for like this one, you can see that it was another character that was connected to Frodo Baggins. And that is basically our project 2.